Approximately 47.2 million single-trip transactions posted a 50% discount on the MRT3, with over 21 million trip transactions incurring the half-fare discount on the LRT2 since late March this year. Proof of the Marcos Jr. administration's efforts in improving the public transport sector and granting commuters fare relief, even as the government seeks to open 12 stations at the much-awaited launch of the MRT7 railway line next year. Our James Thompson has more.
With petroleum product prices rising once again due to tensions in the Middle East, discounts provided by the government to our jeepney drivers and other public utility vehicles are continuing, which will be expanded and sustained to address the disruptions to their livelihoods. The administration also prioritizes security with safe and proper transportation for the commuters, which was one of the points emphasized by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. in his 5th SONA.
Dito sa Metro Manila, ang lahat ng mga sumasakay ng LRT2 at MRT3 ay patuloy na nagiginawan ng 50% diskwento sa pamasahe. Bukod pa ito sa mga espesyal na diskwento na ating ibinibigay tuwing linggo at mahahalagang kapistahan.
According to the Department of Transportation or DOTR, over 40 million commuters have already benefited from the 50% fare discount on MRT3, while over 20 million commuters were recorded on LRT2. Meanwhile, DOTR programs will continue to press ahead according to Secretary Giovanni Lopez, where discounts help commuters by allowing them to use the savings for other expenses such as food, medicine, and other needs. President Marcos also presented transportation infrastructure projects that are near completion, which will provide a convenient and faster travel experience for motorists and commuters.
Sa susunod na taon, bubuksan na rin ang 12 stasyon ng MRT7. Matapos ang halos 3 dekada, may bago ng linya ang MRT na tutulak pa hanggang Sacred Heart sa Quezon City mula sa North Avenue. At balang araw, aabot pa ito hanggang San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
The DOTR will strive to complete these projects, which are expected to provide a faster, safer, and more convenient travel for every Filipino. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.